Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm super excited. I think I open every video with that, but I genuinely am always excited. But I'm really excited today because we are opening up the WeVolve bi-monthly esoteric box, and this is the last one in their series for the elements. So we're opening up a box that's all about the element water. So we already opened up the other three elements. I loved every single one. I think fire has been my favorite so far. That was one I opened like a month or so ago. And yeah, it's been really great. So we're gonna open this together. I didn't peek at what's inside. I did double check to make sure this was the esoteric box and not the WeVolve bi-monthly book box, the Wisdom Keepers box, but I didn't look at anything else that was in there besides a piece of paper right on top. I could tell because it had a water theme, and the colors are so well coordinated. I love this box. This is one I get myself. I will link it down below. I get it on Cratejoy. I think it's around like $40 something. I know I should know these things, but they usually have a discount on there, like use code Mystic or something like that for a special discount. It usually saves you like $5 or something. I'll leave that down below too. Sorry, I'm like so not prepared, but I know I have all the information ready to go for the description box. So yeah, let's get this open and see what's inside. It's raining right now in the afternoon and I kind of love it, but like there's some loud thunder you guys might hear. Emmy's hiding. Look how pretty. I am in divine flow. That's what I saw right away. I'm like, okay, this is definitely the water box. I love how they, like, the list of the items and everything always comes with the affirmation on the back. And this one's beautiful. I am totally hanging this one up. I always mention this, but they had, it was like a year ago now, more than a year ago, that was all about manifestation and abundance and money stuff. So like it says, I'm a magnet for wealth and abundance on my tarot table. I love it. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Look how beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. And then look at all this information they give us. The elemental water magic box. The element of water is often, oh my God, I just realized it's like really rainy. We're talking about water. It's okay, but anyway, so the element of water is often underutilized in magical practices, but it is perhaps the most important element to work with. Our physical bodies are made up of over 50% water. Water is necessary to move toxins from the body, but also to move low vibrational energy and emotions from the body. My lip gloss is feeling really thick right now. It can be used to cleanse and transmute, but also can be programmed with intentions to uplift and heal. Studies show that kind words spoken to water or placed on water containers actually restructure the water to be more readily utilized by the body. So interesting. If you guys haven't checked out Dr. Emoto's work, look into that. This water magic box is all about creating ceremonial magic within your everyday practices. I'm so excited. And then like all the other boxes for the elements, we have a little Book of Shadows page. I love this. They give you so much information. They talk about the element, like with the main keywords for water are cleansing, healing, loving, flowing. So yeah, there's a description here. There is like an affirmation, and then it talks about all the correspondences. So zodiac signs, planets, plants, gemstones, directions, energy, seasons, all the stuff, colors. And then they give you rituals and ways to connect with water. This is like a little thing here, but so jam-packed with useful information. Yay! Okay. How about we start with, let me see here. Oh, I love stones. I have like so many of them. I'm like, I could use some more, and this looks really pretty. Is it chrysocolla? I love saying that. It kind of reminds me of that, like, what's the band name? Like Cherry Cola? Someone knows what I'm talking about from like the 90s. They sing the song I Want to Stand With You on a Mountain. It's one of their other songs. Who is that? Okay, I need to stop. This is beautiful. Oh, and I just am obsessed with my nails. I kind of cracked one today and I'm worried because I'm going on vacation in a few days. But anyways, sorry. I could talk to you guys like you're here like for hours. This is beautiful. This is totally, it's going to go with my moss agate one I got in Italy. And it was blessed by a monk. And I love this one so much. It's got a little looser. Oh, this will look really good with it. Oh my God. These are my colors. Green and blue. Yes. Let's see what it says here. Chrysocolla, also known as the teaching stone. The soft, feminine energy of chrysocolla stirs your curiosity and invites you out to seek higher knowledge. It invites you to channel that energy into expression and creativity, to share their knowledge and their truth with the world, and to sit in the serenity of their own soul. I like this. Even this piece of paper is pretty. I like to cleanse my crystals with smoke before I use them and stuff, but I always love the energy of the WeVolve boxes. Like, you can tell the creators, like Courtney, I know she's a creator, or is there multiple? I don't know, but I know Courtney is one of them. And I just really like her energy, and I can tell they put so much into it, you know? So, but I still like do, but I don't have to. I love it so much. Is there anything else I want to say about this? I don't think so. A water element gem bracelet. Let the universe choose which gem would be best for you. Okay, so there could have been other variations. If you guys get this box, what one did you get? Let us know, please. If you get this box, are you still watching? I'm curious, because when I like, oops, I just hit my mic. I watch people unbox the same thing as me if I'm like into that person. I'm just curious. But we got a bath bomb, which makes sense to use with our water rituals. Ooh, I can see lavender on it. Oh, it smells like lavender. Oh, and it says it right there. I could recognize it right. Oh, it smells so good. My stomach's kind of like making noises. I'm sorry if the mic's picking that up. Purple Fence Farm. Apothecary. I love lavender. I just use lavender incense I got in the air elemental magic box from them. I did a reading. I had a client reading, and I had some of that burning. Julie in Frederick, Colorado makes magical products from soaps to salves. These bath bombs are perfect for making ceremony with self out of bathing time. Wait, ceremony with self out of, okay, so having a ceremony with yourself. Sorry. This is so nice. Yeah, you can go to purplefencefarm.com and use code purplefencefarmlove23 for a special discount. I love supporting small businesses. It smells so good, I can't stop. Okay, I'm going to put it down though. Let's open this. I think this is a water bottle because I kind of saw it. I just got I'm like almost stopped myself because I'm being chatty, but whatever. I just got some electrolytes. So I wanted to have a separate water bottle for my regular water and then my electrolyte water. So I feel like I was watching some a spiritual healer, Christina Lopes. I think she was talking about how a lot of like spiritual people like are kind of having ascension symptoms and stuff like that right now. We might be a little dehydrated, and it's good to get electrolytes. Because I drink a lot of water, but I kind of got the feeling I was dehydrated, so I got some electrolytes. It happened to be Prime Day, so I like saved some money. But anyways, I was just thinking today that I want a water bottle today to do that with because I haven't had them, and I worked out. I'm long-winded today. But this is a glass water bottle, and I love that it has this in there. So it keeps it cold. And it's full of beautiful stones. Oh my gosh. I used to have one like this from Goddess Provisions, but it got like weird. I don't know. I think it was like stored improperly or washed improperly. So I actually just got rid of it, but I kept the stones. These ones look like such a pretty mix. Let's see what it says. Does it tell us what they are? It says, as mentioned above, kind words restructure the crystal structure of water. Oh, it talks about, you can explore research by Dr. Emoto. Yep, I agree. You guys should research it if you haven't already. The same is said for the energetic resonance of crystals. We suggest that you use your crystal water bottle in conjunction with kind words, love, appreciation, joy, health, etc. in order to raise the vibrational resonance of your physical and energetic body. Your water bottle will contain fluorite, moss, agate, and we're good this one, I love it, rose quartz. Let the universe choose your color. Actually, I think mine is fluorite. It looks like a bunch of rainbow fluorite, doesn't it? Nice. And that absorbs negativity, but I talk to my water every day. I could say that to you guys, like I would say it to anyone, but you know, it sounds a little cuckoo, even though we know that if you talk loving words to your water, like Dr. Emoto's research, so one group of water, or like a pail of water, I don't know, it said, I love you, and all these loving, kind words. And then the other one was like, I hate you, you're ugly, you know, all these terrible things. Hi, Emmy. And then froze them both. And the loving words that were spoken, the water that was spoken to lovingly, was beautiful crystalline structures. And then the one that was like talked down to was like all icky and not formed well. So it really makes a difference. So I say affirmations when I'm making my coffee in the morning, like that water. And then I try to do it throughout the day too. Even just saying like thank you is really nice. And yeah, I don't know. I've been feeling really good and upbeat and like high vibe lately. So I swear this stuff works if you guys need any convincing. But yay, awesome. I love getting oils. Aphrodite. I'm trying to bring, like, I want to, like, radiate more love. I want more love in my life, like in general. I want to be a more loving person. So I was actually thinking how Aphrodite I should work with, and then this says Aphrodite on it. It's gold. Oh my god. Let's learn about it. Aphrodite tea. Wait, is there tea too in here? Oh, there's other tea in here as well. Oh, that's funny. So we're going to have another Aphrodite tea. Oh my god, that's so genius. But anyways, Aphrodite ceremonial oil by WeVolve box. Blessed by the goddess Aphrodite, this oil is perfect for love, self-love, fertility, and beauty workings based on your intention. It can be worn as a perfume, applied to candle magic or talisman, or added to your bath. I love this. When I think of Aphrodite, I think of her like on the water in that seashell, like that image. I can't remember who painted that specific image I'm thinking of. Oh my god, it smells lovely. Oh, what is this scent? I don't know, but I love it. And it's gold and pretty. Hi, Amy. Just gonna shake it up. See like the herbs and stuff in there. Oh my god, I'm so pumped about this. Perfect. Yay. Where's the Aphrodite? I want to look at that next since I brought it up. Here it is. Heart-opening herbal tea blend. Oh, it's so perfect for me too. I think it's perfect for everyone. We can all use more love on this planet. Organic hibiscus flowers, organic lemon balm leaf, and dried apple. This sounds so good. I actually ate an apple today. Oh my god, you can see the piece. This is awesome, and I love that it's resealable. Yay! Do we need anything else? I think we talked about it. Oh, it just gives you some instructions. But it can be used for magical love workings and for wishes of self-love, fertility, and beauty. Speak your intentions to the tea while stirring clockwise. It talks about how to make it. But then it gives some information about lemon balm, which is interesting. Lemon balm is known for nervous system regulation, while hibiscus is filled with antioxidants and vitamin C. I'm totally going to have some of this today. We're not done. Ooh, I see. Is this quartz? I wonder if this other piece I have that's like this I got from this box. I don't know. I use this in one of my pick a cards, which, by the way, if you haven't checked out my second channel, Kitty Rising, it's linked below. Please check it out. I do tarot readings and pick a cards. This is beautiful. I love crystals so much. Let's see. A clear quartz cluster. Yes. And it actually says yes is the first word here. Yes, clear quartz is a common crystal, but it is also a master crystal. It can be used in place of other crystals. It is a master healer and amplifier, and it is also programmable with intentions. Just tell your new crystal friend what you would like for it to do and set it to work. I love it. It's so beautiful. I can just look at it like this forever. I love crystals so much. Yay, and we're not done. One item left. They use like specific colors for their packing with each box, and like how water is this? I love it. Emmy's so cute right now. Beachy Dreams and Moonbeams. Ooh, we have like a bath salt mix, it looks like. Yep, Beachy Dreams and Moonbeams Ceremonial Bath Soak by WeVolve. This uplifting, grounding, and clarifying bath soak can be used to aid you in relaxing unwanted energies from your body and auric fields, as well as invigorating your senses and providing mental and intuitive clarity. If you are in a home without a bathtub, you can mix the salt with an oil of your choosing and use it as a shower scrub. I love that they gave that instruction. I love how it's blue and pretty. You guys, I love this box. It's so fun. Okay, what are my favorite? I love the crystal stuff, the water bottle. I like everything. This is all so fun. And I love talking about like water, and I love working with water. I have a big attachment to water. I don't have like much water in my chart at all, but my North Node's in Pisces in the 4th house. And I've realized I love living near water. I'm on a lake right now, and I just feel like I have to be by water now. Like, since I made that discovery, I love being by it. And I was like a water child. I like swam like competitively, like growing up and all of that. I have my Pluto's in Scorpio. That's the only other water, but I love water and working with it. But sometimes when we're lacking water or like an element in our chart, sometimes it actually really benefits us to focus on the element, add more of those like activities and rituals revolving around it into our lives. But okay, I could talk about this stuff all day. I love you guys so much. I will zip it up and let you go. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I will link WeVolve box down below. Let me know your thoughts. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. Talk sweetly to your water and to yourself. I love you. Bye.